This is how to live stream on YouTube with OBS. Click on the plus icon in Sources box. If you select Game Capture, it will only show the gameplay and black screen when you're not playing any game. Let's just select Display Capture. Select the display and click OK. Now go to Settings. Go to Stream. In Services, select YouTube. Then connect account. On Web, simply link the account you want to stream on. Now, go to Outputs, and for video bitrate, use this graph to set the bitrate, or just ask the AI if you have certain internet speed and you want to stream on certain bitrate. Now, for audio bitrate, choose a higher bitrate as long as it doesn't show the warning in the bottom. In video encoder, the H.264 is most compatible, but for the best quality, choose AV1 for NVIDIA card and AMD HEV if you have the AMD card. In encoder preset, you can choose the slowest for best quality if you have good GPU, or simply choose medium quality as default. Now go to video. On top is your base resolution, and second is the resolution that'll be shown in stream. You can choose which resolution you want to stream in. Now down there select common FPS values, and set it to 60 frames per second, since YouTube only supports 60 frames per second at max. Now in hotkeys, you can select a specific keyboard to start or end stream, so you don't have to do it manually. After that, click on OK. Go to Manage Broadcast. It will open a page, which is the same page as your YouTube stream page that you can see on YouTube. Here you can set up title, thumbnail, and everything. After all that, click Create Broadcast. Click on Manage Broadcast. Choose a stream that we've just set up. Now if you click Start Streaming, you will go live on YouTube.